Come on, put your hands together. If you know that God is with you, but you have a multitude of troubles, but yet you know that greater is He that is in you than he that's in the world, hold your head up. You should be in marching formation right now with this song. Come on, sing with me. While you're going through, people may laugh at you. Yeah, life gets so hard for those who follow God. Greater might be your attack. Just know God's got your back. Why? God is with me. God is with me. He's on my side. Yeah. One more time. Listen. Weapons will form against you. God will see you through. God is with me. God is with me. And you, with me in my heat, with me in the fire, with me when I'm down, with me when lost desire is with me, yeah. Devil think it's over, but the power of God shall hold ya. Sickness seems to prosper, but we're more than conquerors. Why? God is with me. God is with me. He's on my side. Yeah. Lord have mercy. God is with me. Let me say this to you. I've seen times I felt all alone. He came right in on time and made me strong. Now I know that God is with me. Come on, sing it, soldiers. God is with me. God is with me. Whoa. God is with me. God is with me. You. That's enough. That's enough. We gotta go home. We gotta go home. Some of y'all got food on the stove and you don't have no time to understand that while you're going through your trouble, see, people will let you down. Your self-esteem will let you down. But just knowing that God is with you while you're in your fiery furnace, and while the devil is poured out and have launched an attack against you, God is with me. Oh my goodness, come on. Put your hands together one more time. With me in my heat, with me in the fire, with me when I'm down, with me when lost desire is with me, yeah. When I return to Him, He's been there all the time, waiting on me to shine. God